Hi everyone!
Hello.
Today we are going to pick up a package with some new light up horn. Let's go!
Bring it over here. Let's go.
Sit here, I'll quickly go get the package. Here, take it.
So, did you get it?
Yeah, here is the package.
Let's go see what's inside.
They're so small and chunky.
See? They mount differently. Alright, let's try the horns on my quad bike. Just take this one off like that. That's it. Let's remove the seat. If you want, we can try them on yours.
On the buggy?
Yeah, let's see how they look on it.
Okay. These ones look like shock absorber expansion tanks.
So, you don't like them, yeah?
Not really, I like the longer ones better.
Then let's put them on my quad bike. Perfect. I really like them. Just a little more. That's it. We will need the washer too. Wait. I can't keep up with you guys. Not like that. Let me show you the order I want. Like this, then this, and then the ring. Zaki, hold it here. So the mount doesn't spin. Grab it from underneath, right there. Lift the rings up. Got it?
Yeah, that's it. We got it.
So before it could move, but now it can't rotate around anymore. Alright, now let's unscrew the next one.
I'll just connect it first. Okay, we have already pulled the wire through, and now we are removing the old mount.
Go ahead. Here's the bolt. Just a little more. Now let's connect it. Alright, time for a test. Ta-dam! Boom! Red! Beautiful!
Yeah, they look really cool.
Now let's take it for a test drive. Let's go for a ride. Hop on! They light up really cool.
Yeah, I agree.
It will be way more fun riding at night.